Hey there, gearheads! Ready for some top-down action? Because MINI just dropped the curtain on their 2025 Cooper Convertible, and oh boy, it's a looker. Picture this. MINI's iconic style, that go-kart handling we all love, and now with an extra dose of vitamin D. Sounds like a recipe for fun, right? Let's dive into what's new. This little sun chaser is rocking a fresh platform, shared with its hardtop sibling. MINI's designers have been busy, giving it a sleeker look they're calling Charismatic Simplicity. Don't worry, it's still unmistakably MINI, just with a bit more gym time under its belt. Now feast your eyes on that front end. Redesigned LED headlights, a wider grille, it's like the MINI got an Instagram filter in real life. Sharper, more focused, but still with that cheeky MINI grin we all know and love. Step inside and bam! Your eyes are immediately drawn to the massive 9.4-inch circular OLED display. It's like MINI took a spacecraft's control panel and slapped it right in the center of the dash. Almost all the physical controls have been replaced by this high-tech wonder. But wait, MINI purists! Before you start writing angry letters, they've kept a row of toggle switches below the screen. Because let's face it, it wouldn't be a MINI without those satisfying clicks, right? Now let's talk muscle. MINI's offering two flavors of their 2-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine. The Cooper C gives you a peppy 163 horsepower, while the Cooper S kicks it up to a more spirited 204 horses. Both come with a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic. Sorry, manual fans, looks like you'll have to do your fancy footwork elsewhere. Rumor has it, a John Cooper Works version is in the pipeline, potentially pushing over 230 horsepower. Now that should really mess up your hairdo. Speaking of messed up hair, let's chat about that convertible top. It goes from coupe to convertible in a mere 18 seconds, and you can do it at speeds up to 19 miles per hour. Spot a break in the clouds? Drop that top without missing a beat. And get this, MINI's brought back the always open timer. It's like a Fitbit for your convertible, tracking how long you've been cruising with the top down. Weekend challenge, anyone? For those, I swear it wasn't raining when I left moments, the roof can also partially open like a sunroof. Best of both worlds. Now we haven't gotten our grubby mitts on the steering wheel yet, but MINI promises their signature agile handling is still very much present. They've tweaked the suspension to keep things tight, even with the top lopped off. Planning a road trip? The optional Driving Assistant Plus package adds adaptive cruise control and lane keeping assist. It's like having a co-pilot, minus the backseat driving. Let's talk style, because we all know MINI owners love to stand out. You've got 12 paint options to choose from, including a swanky new copper gray. Feeling patriotic? Slap a Union Jack pattern on that black fabric top. Nothing says God Save the Queen quite like cruising down Main Street, USA in a British-flavored convertible. Inside, MINI's kept things premium while simplifying the design. They've added these cool knitted textile surfaces that just beg to be touched. And with 3 trim levels to choose from, Classic, Favored, and John Cooper Works, you can really make this MINI your own. So, what's the verdict? It looks like MINI's struck gold here, folks. They've modernized the convertible without losing that quirky MINI soul we all adore. It's packed with new tech, but still promises to deliver that go-kart feel we crave. We're particularly stoked about that OLED display and how it changes with different drive modes. It could add a whole new dimension to the MINI experience. Of course, we'll have to see how well it works in bright sunlight. Nobody likes squinting at a washed-out screen while cruising, right? The Cooper Convertible has always been a bit of a niche player, but for those who want their compact cars with a side of sunshine, this new generation looks mighty tempting. Its classic MINI charm meets 21st century tech. No word on pricing yet, but expect to shell out a bit more than the current model when it hits showrooms next year. Is it worth it? Well, we can't wait to get behind the wheel and find out. Until then, we're left dreaming of sunny days, winding roads, and the wind in our hair. Because let's face it, in a world of sensible crossovers and practical SUVs, sometimes you just need to let your hair down and embrace the always open lifestyle. That's our first look at the 2025 MINI Cooper Convertible, folks. What do you think? Drop a comment below and let us know if this little sunseeker has stolen your heart. And hey, if this video brightened your day, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more automotive goodness. Until next time, keep it sunny side up. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one, And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.